Welcome to Mind Quiz.
I will show you Would You Rather, the most hardest choice ever, extreme edition. You have 30 questions, and for each question, you have 10 seconds. So let's dive in. Most hardest and thrilling quiz ever. Are you ready? Would you rather sleep on a bed of thorns, or walk barefoot on broken glass, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather endure constant electric shocks, or non-stop burning sensations, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather have your skin peeled slowly, or bones crushed one by one, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather swim in acid, or crawl through fire ants, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather be whipped daily, or branded with hot iron, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather lose a finger to frostbite, or a toe to boiling water, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather suffer endless migraines, or perpetual toothaches, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather be stung by bees repeatedly, or bitten by snakes, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather have nails hammered into your hands, or feet pulled off, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather endure waterboarding or dry drowning simulation, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather have your eyes exposed to blinding light, or ears to deafening noise, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather be buried in sand up to your neck, or hung by your wrists, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather feel constant knife cuts, or endless needle pricks, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather starve with stomach cramps, or thirst with cracked lips, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather have joints dislocated daily, or muscles torn repeatedly, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather inhale toxic fumes, or swallow razor blades, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather be crushed under weights, or stretched on a rack, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather suffer frost burns or heat strokes eternally, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather have teeth drilled without anesthetic, or nails ripped out, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather endure boiling oil drops or ice-cold water immersion, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather be electrocuted mildly forever, or burned severely once, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather have skin rubbed with sandpaper, or salt in open wounds, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather face constant whiplash, or perpetual back spasms, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather be pierced by arrows, or impaled on spikes, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather suffer venom injections or acid burns on flesh, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather have limbs twisted or organs squeezed, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather endure endless slaps, or constant punches, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather be scalded by steam, or frozen in ice blocks, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather feel bones breaking slowly, or flesh tearing quickly, or receive a mystery gift? Would you rather have eyes gouged, or tongue sliced, or receive a mystery gift?